Sabayang Pagbigkas announcement of winners, and it's really a privilege for all of us to be here with you and promoting the language, the Filipino language. Next slide, please, Becky. Thank you. All right, so just a recap, all of our entries came from different cities of the country. So we have 3 from Oakland, 1 from Palmerston North, 1 Wellington, 12 Christchurch, and 1 Invercargill. 1 school actually submitted 2 entries. And we're really happy for this outcome. There's so much participation, and actually that's a good sign that everyone's starting to appreciate our Filipino language. Next slide. Before anything else, we would like to appreciate the help of different people on making this program happen. Our judges, ang mga hurado, ay si Emma Carion, isang asawa, mother, at grandmother. She is also our founding member of Banyuhay Aotearoa. She's actually the one who thought about the word Banyuhay, and we used it. She's a poet and writer. Can anyone hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes po, medyo mahina lang.
Sorry. It's all in full volume, so okay. I will try to shout. The next judge is Joey Domdom. He is in Wellington. He's Wellington based. And sorry, going back to the last slide, please. Joey Domdom, he is from Bicol, Philippines. 17 taon na dito sa New Zealand at naninirahan sa Lower Hutt, Wellington. Siya ay isang guro at team leader ng postgraduate programs sa WellTech at Fitirea, New Zealand. Ang susunod na judge ay si Jocelyn Atara Mackenzie. She's a cultural support para sa mga migrante at refugees ng Oak Development Trust, isang grassroots community based sa Riccarton, Christchurch. Inumpisahan ang supling Filipino language and culture playground bilang suporta sa mga magulang na may anak na 5 taon pababa at nagnanais na magtuloy-tuloy na exposure sa kulturang Pilipino. Si Jocelyn ay higit sa lahat malaki ang interes sa kultura, kasaysayan, literatura at street theater. Next slide, please. Okay. Ito naman ang susunod na gusto nating pasalamatan. Thanks to all our volunteers, Vanessa Rosette for all the marketing assets and helping us promote the event or the contest. That's myself. I'm Lois Carlos. I'm the chairperson of Banyuhay Aotearoa. And I've helped the judges making sure we got all the scores. We also have M. Cardeno, who's helped us in the design and sending all the certificates of all the participants. This is like 100 certificates that we have to give individually to all the participants. And also for all our trustees who participated in the video promotions. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras, talento at pagsisikap. Pero hindi pwedeng makalimutan ang taong nasa likod ng lahat ng ito. Si Becky Boada, isa sa aming trustees sa Banyuhay, pero ngayon ay nasa background. Tayo muna mag-uusap-usap. Si Becky ang aming punong abala at project manager sa Sabayang Pagbigkas, pati na rin sa mga activities sa buong buwan ng wika. She's the project manager for this Sabayang Pagbigkas contest. Next slide, please. Ngayon ay umpisahan na natin ang pagpaparangal sa mga nanalo sa tagisang ng Sabayang Pagbigkas. Sorry. We have some announcement for next year because of the participation this year, and also we noticed that the schools are really excited in joining the contest. We are now thinking of doing an inter-school competition starting next year, and this will be announced in February 2025. The expressions of interest will be due on the 31st of May 2025, and all the mechanics will be discussed on February. So winners will be announced on the 1st of September 2025. If you are keen to join this contest again, get in touch and confirm if you want to be part of the mailing list. Ito na talaga. This is it. The announcement of the champions. Sabayang Pagbigkas 2024 champions for the first category. Next slide. Congratulations to our pamilya o barangay champion. Winner, please. Banaag ng Tala from Oakland. Banaag ng Tala, Oakland. If you want to remember the video, it's just showing here. There's no voice, but there's no sound, but that's what the video looks like. Banaag ng Tala. Team members are not here to join us, but we will reach out to them and provide them instructions on how we can give the prize. Maraming salamat, Manag ng Tala team from Oakland. Ang susunod na kategorya ay paaralan or barkada champion. Congratulations to our paaralan or barkada champion. Drum rolls, please. Edgewater College. Edgewater College, I'm not sure if they are in the Zoom call, but congratulations and well done. That is the video of Edgewater College, and they are based in Oakland. Again, maraming salamat, Edgewater College. Marami pong salamat sa lahat ng nag-participate ulit, and kita-kita po tayo ulit next year para sa Inter-School sa Bayang Pagbigkas Contest. Marami pong salamat sa lahat ng mga guro at principals na sumuporta sa amin. Bye, kids! Thank you!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!